Yeah, and you know what? That high tide is such a siren song for the surfers. I think this one just ducked behind this man-made barrier that we've got here. This is a man-made dune that they pushed up here, the town of Long Beach, in order to keep the crashing waves from coming right down the street. The tide is now starting to recede. To answer your question, hey, good morning! I don't know if he can hear me from up here. Good morning! We've got an actual surfer. Can you even believe it? That's the upside of this, and probably about the only upside that we've seen all day, because the downside has been pretty crazy out here. You've got about 3.5 inches of snow, 4 inches of snow. It's covered by ice and slush and turned into a crazy crusty mess. Let's go over here and see if he'll say hello. Do you have enough cord? Good morning, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Good, Pixel 11 News. Tell me how those waves are. Come on over, because I'm having a little cord difficulty. Tell me how those waves are.
It's a little bit sloppy.
A little bit sloppy?
Yeah.
Were you able to get any action out there? Or?
A little bit.
A little bit. How long did you stay out for?
I floated a mile.
Uh-huh.
Do you have a van here by any chance?
We do have a van here. We've got that big news van.
You want to give me a ride back to my car?
We might be able to work something out for you. What's your name?
Adam.
Do you always surf the crazy storms?
No.
Is
This is my first time.
Your first time?
Yeah.
You gonna go out again?
Yeah, I think I'll try surfing again.
Yeah?
Uh-huh.
All right. Do you usually do it in the summer?
Oh no, this is like my first time surfing.
Period.
Yeah.
Ever.
Yeah.
You thought this was the best day to go out surfing as a first timer?
Yeah, I heard that offshore winds were good for waves,
Uh-huh.
so I figured, since New York's south facing,
Right.
yeah, the north winds would be offshore.
First time surfer, New York City. This is a brave man out here. And a little cold. Channel 11,
Okay.
WPAX, your favorite channel, your new favorite channel. Got little bit of storm erosion going on. We spoke with a county executive earlier today. They photographed the shoreline so they'll be able to...
Twas grace that taught my heart to fear, and grace my fears relieve. How precious did that grace appear the hour I first believed. There's a beautiful day headed your way. Keep your head up, you'll be okay. A beautiful day waiting for you. Just open your eyes, you'll see it's true. Good times, sunshine, gonna be here in no time now. Bad times, gray skies, push them all away, turn them upside down. You're gonna break new ground, turn everything around. You're gonna live your life. There's a beautiful, you'll be okay. Beautiful day waiting for you. Just open your eyes, you'll see it's true. A beautiful day. Tick tock, don't stop. Every little thing, it'll be alright.
Check out exactly how much erosion that we're talking about. We still have some mass transit on Long Island, which is terrific, but the car accidents were piling up, and one of the things that they were really talking about is the black ice, and that's because all of this sleet and freezing rain is just compacting the snow underneath. As a matter of fact, a woman came out on the boardwalk. She took 3 steps out onto the boardwalk and immediately fell down. It is really more treacherous than you probably think and give credit to, just because of the rain going down. Not treacherous enough for our surfer, though, who took his first try out in the waves of the Atlantic. These are not to be messed with. I'm glad that he made his way back up safely and with his board intact as well. This is it, guys. Thank you. It's been a terrific morning to work with you, Suki and Scott, during Nor'easter 2017. I'm Kirsten Cole in Long Beach. Back to you.
Was that Spicoli from Fast Times at
Ridgemont High? He was like, dude, do you got a van?
I thought he was going to ask you to order a pizza.
It was just like, yeah.
That was unreal. That was an unreal moment.
I'm sure that comes when he gets into the van with you.
Oh, boy. Hey, dude, you got a van?
Yeah, we do. You're on TV, and it's his first time. It's his first time surfing, and he's doing it during a nor'easter.
That's wild.
Unbelievable.